Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to turn off your Toyota Sienna maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the auto/trip button on your dashboard. Press this button repeatedly until your display shows Trip A. This is a crucial first step for most Sienna models to prepare for the reset. Now, turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the auto/trip button. While still holding this button down, turn your ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. Keep holding the button for the next step. As you continue holding the button, the odometer display will show a series of dashes or zeros, indicating the reset process has begun. You will then see the maintenance light flash a few times. Once the light disappears from your dashboard, you can release the auto/trip button. This confirms the system has been reset. Finally, start your engine to verify that the maintenance light remains off. If the light reappears, simply repeat these steps from the beginning, ensuring each action is performed precisely. Always remember that this light is a reminder for routine service, typically every 5,000 miles, so consistent maintenance keeps your Sienna running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.